So I didn't think you were gonna be this long.
Yeah, sorry.
And
Are you hungry?
no, I'm making dinner now, but I need milk. And you were supposed to go to the grocery store.
Like, this dude, I can't believe this. This is like,
Dude, she went into the,
How is no
she
one-
went into the laundry room.
why are there no riots yet? Let's go, hey, yeah, 1 second. Yeah, she's getting her bottles returned. She's returning the bottles now. She's like, yeah, whatever, let them wait. What is this? Don't they know what kind of car this is? Here. And you know how I know she's an upstanding citizen? She has a Bluetooth headset in.
That's right.
Any person that has a Bluetooth headset in their ears, they just don't deserve any respect whatsoever. Okay, anyways, yes, how you doing?
So what are we doing now?
We might be here
Why
for-
aren't we working on the car?
I know, because we have to go grocery shopping. My wife.
Can you explain that?
So, grocery shopping means you go into a store that sells groceries,
Okay.
right? So we're gonna get milk. We're gonna get tortilla chips, Swedish meatballs, egg noodles, chicken or turkey gravy, fruits for snacks, and grapes, and a $5 gift card.
All right.
So that's what we're gonna do. While your car, look, more people. At least we're warm now. It could be worse. you
That's
know
true.
what I mean?
That's true.
It's cold. Where's the electric vehicle parking? It's funny. The other day, I parked in my first EV space, and it felt glorious.
Yeah.
I felt like I was so much better than everyone else.
Yeah.
It was great. It's a good
And
feeling.
they put them right there, right in the front, right?
right in the front. Yeah, like you're handicapped or
That's
something.
right. Except we're not.
Except we're not. Well, I mean, maybe mental. They didn't say anything about mental handicaps. I know I'm not fully able. Let's do this.
Are you the type that parks your car all the way in the back of the parking lot
when it's this cold?
just to avoid?
I don't know. Let's just do it. Let's just
People's
park the front way.
stupidity.
Who cares? Yeah. See, you have to know where to park because at the same time, you want people to see you get into it. You know what I mean?
Oh,
It's
that's
like, wow,
right, that's right.
Why is this guy parking so far away? Oh, look what he's getting into.
That's
oh
right.
my God. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. So we're gonna park a medium distance away because it's so damn cold outside. So let's get into the grocery store and do our thing.
Let's go watch Rich do some shopping while you're around.
Yeah, sure. What I'm gonna do, this is like a big deal because we're gonna watch how Car Guru gets down, how he shops,
That's right.
how he looks at things, how he analyzes things. You know what I mean?
That's right.
So let's get this show on the road, shall we? So the first thing you want to get milk, right? And the best milk you can get is 2% milk. Don't get that whole milk stuff. It tastes like cream. So you gotta get 2%.
Okay.
Or you're lactose intolerant,
I'm
right?
That doesn't appeal to me.
So no, really, like, so what'll happen? Like, you're intolerant. Like, what'll happen if like you drink milk?
So-
like, you just like shit your brains out.
Yeah, I don't have the enzyme that breaks it down.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Different people have different reactions, but
So you don't know what's gonna happen to you.
I think I'll just get really sick and start vomiting and things like that.
But you won't die.
No, hopefully not.
That'd be terrible.
I hope you're not gonna slip any type of dairy into my.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't do that.
My
you
food
can't-
and drink.
So you can't even have like milk chocolate.
No, I mean I could, but I'll feel really sick. But that's probably the extent of my dairy adventures. What is this store called?
This Market Basket.
Is this a pretty well-known store in Mass?
It's a very well-known low-end grocery store.
Okay.
And this is where all the poor people come to shop. And I don't really like setting foot in this store because I'm more like up here. But it's good to-
You do drive a Tesla.
Yeah, it's true. It's good to be with the people every once in a while. You know what I mean? To kind of, this is like me giving back to the community and supporting local business. All right, tortilla chips. Now the damn tortilla chips. See, the thing with tortilla chips is this is for a party. And it's a gift for someone. So what you have to do is you have to get the brand name stuff.
Oh.
See, if
you
you
gotta-
give someone a
you
gift,
gotta bite the
it's
bullet
just
on
like
this.
it's like store brand stuff. It's just like
Yeah.
it's like, you know, why do you even exist?
I don't even know what the brand name tortilla chips.
Well, put it okay. This is how you do it, right? So this says Market Basket. That's the name of the store.
Oh, okay.
Don't get the name of the store brand. Always get like a big, well-known brand. Like I don't even know.
Okay. These are for gifts, right?
Yeah, it's like for a
Okay.
gift. So it's like, hey,
That's the gift etiquette.
right.
Okay.
You can't get the store brand stuff. That's the go
Gotcha.
one step up.
Can't go wrong with that, right?
You can't. Actually, you can. So I'm gonna go call my wife right now. See, the thing is, you gotta call your wife. Whenever you go grocery shopping, call her several times to make sure you're doing the right thing. Call her after every single thing you get in the store. Hey, I got tortilla chips. Just the regular triangular ones, right? All right, but non-store brand? Oh, all right, perfect. Is that it? Well, yeah, but I just want to make sure I got in the right thing, that's all. All right, okay, bye. Yep. All right, bye.
You good?
That's how you do it. Next up is snacks for the kids, right? Let me show you how to shop properly for the kids. See, I made it big now. I have a camera crew following me around the grocery store, and everyone's like, what the hell is going on here? Make sure whatever you get for your kids, right? Never get organic for your kids. And here's the reason why. 1, it's expensive. 2, it's too damn expensive. 3, it's expensive. Don't even get that. Get like the regular store brand stuff for the kids. They can't tell the difference, right? And by the time they get old enough to realize that, you know, getting non-organic was a mistake, they'll be able to take care of themselves anyways. Let's get some cheap food here. Let's get some couple bags of these baby carrots. Non-organic, yes, perfect. What else do we got here? Non-organic, perfect. I have a question for you, cameraman, right? Do you ever eat any of the grapes before you buy them? Do they have grapes where you live? Because you seem to be very confused. You seem to be very confused.
You gotta try them.
You gonna try it? No, you can't. That's stealing.
Really?
Yeah, it's stealing.
I don't.
Yeah, because I don't believe you. Because if you think about it, like
So the grapes no, because they're per pound.
exactly. So you take
So,
one, it's just like it's
exactly.
kind of a couple pennies here and there, you know. These all look very dusty. Oh, look, there's actually a letter L on this one. Right? These are very dusty looking, and a couple of them are kind of like smushed. It's like making its own wine in there. But you know what? They're for the kids, not for me, so it's fine. They're not Bing cherries? What the hell's a Bing cherry? These are like $5 each, but the kids eat them too damn fast and it's too expensive. These are gonna stay right. You wanna do it right now? Put it right back. I think we're good on the fruit. I think I spent too much money on fruit. That's at least like $6 in fruit, so that's kind of
too much.
I gotta cut it off somewhere, you know. All right, so here comes the best part of the whole ordeal. Okay, you have to guess what kind of soda that Car Guru wants. Let's go over here real quick. All right, look at all this soda. What kind of soda do you think I would want? If you guess orange soda, you're racist. Unsubscribe right now. I don't tolerate that racism. My actual favorite soda is over here. If you guess Diet Orange, you're racist. If you guess Diet Raspberry Ginger Ale, you're almost right. I love Raspberry Ginger Ale. So if you want to send me some stuff to unbox or to open up with a kitchen knife, Raspberry Ginger Ale. I'm probably sick now. I shouldn't have guessed that. And then my second favorite one is sparkling polar seltzer. Now here's the thing with that is that my wife all the time, when I tell her to get me the orange dry, she gets me the diet one, and then we fight the entire night. Women will never understand, will they? You just won't get it. Just always get me the regular one, not the diet.